little bit here. We're gonna go drifting in the 370 or 350Z and the famous Trey mower. It's BMW here. We got the GoPro strapped up on this one, so everything's ready to go. We're feeling solid, super solid. So no swing, no side-to-side action. Everything should just work. So I'm excited. We'll see how well it looks. I don't know how well it's gonna look, but it should be dope. Alrighty guys, we're ready to go drifting with Joey here in his 350Z. Is it LS swapped?
No, it's just stock VQ.
Oh, VQ baby. Woo, you got a nice handbrake. Yeah. Manual light. Alright, here we go. Super dope ride with Joey and his 350Z here, you guys, so appreciate it. And that was sweet. Great tandem with the famous Trey Mo over there. Well, alrighty, we'll catch you guys on the next one.